car enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting new release to discuss: the 2025 Geely StarRay. This car promises to redefine the driving experience with its blend of style, technology, and performance. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, today we're taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Geely StarRay. Geely has been making waves in the automotive industry, and the StarRay is no exception. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge technology, this car has a lot to offer. Let's start with the exterior. Exterior feature. The Geely StarRay boasts a futuristic design with smooth lines and an aerodynamic silhouette. The front grille is bold and prominent, complemented by sleek LED headlights that give it a sharp, modern look. And check out those 20-inch alloy wheels, they add a sporty touch to this elegant vehicle. Now, let's talk about the interior. Geely has pulled out all the stops with this one. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted with a luxurious, spacious cabin. The materials used are top-notch, with a mix of leather, soft-touch plastics, and brushed metal accents. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 15-inch infotainment screen that controls everything from navigation to climate control. The system is intuitive and responsive, with crisp graphics and seamless connectivity, and the digital instrument cluster provides all the driving information you need at a glance. But how does the 2025 Geely StarRay perform on the road? It comes with a range of powertrain options, including a hybrid and a fully electric version. The model we're driving today is the electric variant, which delivers impressive acceleration and a smooth, quiet ride. The handling is sharp, and the car feels incredibly stable, even at higher speeds. Safety is another area where the StarRay shines. It comes packed with advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Geely has clearly prioritized the safety of its passengers. So, there you have it, the 2025 Geely StarRay. With its striking design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, and impressive performance, it's a strong contender in the midsize sedan market. If you're looking for a car that offers a bit of everything, the StarRay might just be the perfect choice for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.